Dr. Asit Khanna from Yashoda Hospital, Kaushambi. I am the Chief Interventional Cardiologist here. Today I'll just take 2-3 minutes of yours to tell you that there is a big difference between cardiac arrest and heart attacks, heart failure and sudden cardiac death. Heart failure is when the heart becomes too weak to pump effectively. Heart attack is what you know as myocardial infarction or blockage in the arteries causing the heart to become weak suddenly. Cardiac arrest is when a patient's heart stops working because of 2 or 3 main reasons and patient dies. Sudden cardiac death is mostly because of cardiac arrest. Sudden cardiac death can be because of a lot of reasons, one of which is cardiac arrest. So why does cardiac arrest happen? Most common reasons for cardiac arrest is either a big heart attack causing sudden blockage in a main artery, or electrical problems in the heart muscle called arrhythmias, especially ventricular arrhythmias, which you would have seen in films and things that we give a shock for and try to resynchronize the heart and restart the heart and start its pumping and beating again. So cardiac arrest is different from heart attacks, which is myocardial infarction, from heart failure and sudden cardiac arrest. Sudden cardiac arrest can be because of many other reasons, which can lead to a patient who's apparently healthy prior to this from suddenly collapsing. You have seen runners in marathon suddenly collapsing. You've seen young boys on treadmills collapsing. Any person who dies within 24 hours of any kind of symptom onset without any explanation is called sudden cardiac death, and it has to be timely intervened. The risk factors for these problems are the traditional hypertension, diabetes, smoking, obesity, lack of exercise, genetic risk factors. In 5-6 factors have to be prevented. If they are there, they have to be effectively treated, like don't smoke, reduce your hypertension, reduce your diabetes to control the sugar, do not smoke, reduce your weight by exercising at least 30 to 45 minutes every day under the supervision of a proper trainer after asking your doctor. It is very common that people are now exercising suddenly, unexpectedly, without supervision and without asking their doctor whether they can exercise and how much they should exercise, leading to sudden deaths even in gyms and on TMT machines. So I will conclude by saying that cardiac arrest and sudden cardiac arrest and heart attack and heart failure are different things. Do not think about them too much. Just come to us at Yashoda Hospital, Kaushambi and ask us the difference and try to prevent it from happening. Thank you so much.